Today we'll be doing mango chicken. Take a bowl, add flour, garlic powder, chilli powder, pepper powder, and mix until it's well combined. Now take the chicken wings, add salt to it, add lime juice, and give this mixture a good mix. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Now add flour to the mixture and mix until the wings are well coated. Take a wire rack and place the flour coated wings. Bake at 225 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. Take a mixer jar, add mangoes, garlic, vinegar, red chilli powder, lime juice, and blend it smoothly. Now take a pan, add honey, add the mango mixture and let it thicken. Now add the baked chicken to it and give it a good mix. Take a wire rack and place the coated chicken wings. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 8 minutes. The mango chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy this fun recipe and do share your feedback in the comment section.